Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to identify iPhone. You can identify if it is new, refurbished, or free by following this video right here. So what you need to do is to just head over to your settings of your iPhone, and once you're in there, you scroll down until you reach the general right here. So let's click on that, and once we're in there, just click on the about button right here. Let's click on that. And in here, you can see all of the about details of your iPhone. You can see the name, software version, the model name, the model number, and serial number. Make sure to remember the model number because we need that in order to know if our phone is new, refurbished, or just a free phone. So what you need to do is to just look at your back of the case of the iPhone when you first bought it and make sure that the model number matches the model number from your case to the model number of your phone. So if that matches, then that checks out that this is an authentic iPhone. What we need to make sure on is to just see the first letter that is in on the model number. So if you see an M, then that just means that your phone is a new iPhone. If you see an F as a first number or letter on the model number, then that just means that your iPhone is refurbished. If you see any other letter or number that is not M or that is not F, then that just means that your phone is a free iPhone. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.